Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a gold bar. First of all, scale it z-axis, x-axis. Okay. Go to edit mode by pressing tab, select 2 and shortcut. Yeah. Okay. 3, scale it in x-axis and then y-axis. Okay, done. Now go to object mode, use bevel modifier 0.02. okay, segment is 2. Okay, now use subdivision surface by pressing 2. Okay, now go to take a plane, scale it, go to edit mode, select the edges and extrude it in z-axis. Okay, select Ctrl P. Okay, and now shading tab. Okay, make a black. G2 grab. Okay, okay, take another. Okay, shift A as take color ramp. Okay, shift as noise texture. Okay, now shift A as texture coordinate, textures coordinate. Okay, object to vector, base color to here and color code to here. Okay, make metallic 1, roughness 0.1 and alpha is already 1. Okay, make it 13 or 12, details 6 or 7, roughness point of 5 is enough. Okay, distortion is 0.8, maybe 0.8, distortion 11. Okay, select this. Okay, increase the light. Okay, take another one here. Okay, now here. Okay, it's done. Gold bar, GL gold bar. Okay, then ground, GROU and ground. Okay, go to layout mode. Okay guys, it's already complete, but we have to prepare it for render mode. Okay, take a light. Okay, need a area light. Okay, G2 grab. Okay, light make 250. Okay, press 0. Okay, and select view, camera to view. Okay. 500. We need another light. Okay, 3 minus 2 3 press 0. Okay. Okay, now to interpolation, bloom, screen space, refraction and refraction. Okay, okay, make contact shadow. Okay, shadow, contact shadow. Okay, okay, it's done, but we need another light. 1000. Huh. Okay, shift, press 0, shift D. Okay, start by pressing F12. Okay, it's look good. Okay, go to the, select it and go to the edit modifier, use array modifier, make it 5 or 4. Okay, oh dear, grab it. Okay, select. Okay, use another array modifier to y-axis to make it 0. Okay, use, grab G. Okay, okay, another array modifier. Okay, shift D to duplicate. Okay, scale it, G to grab, scale it, G to grab, G to grab. Okay, I guess it's almost done. Okay, now let's scale it to the okay, okay, G to grab. Okay, oh, now press F12. Okay, it's done. Okay, okay, Okay.